Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add captions and subtitles automatically in InShot. Fast, accurate, and super easy. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is to open your video project in InShot, and then here, tap on next option in the menu and then choose auto caption. This feature uses AI to automatically generate subtitles from your device. And then the InShot will now process your video and transcribe the audio. This may take a few seconds depending on the length. And once you're done, you're going to see bubbles along the timeline. You can tap on any subtitle block, edit the text, fix any errors, or change the font size, color, and more. And if you want a different subtitle effects, tap on style and then choose from animation, shadow, or the background boxes for better visibility. And that's it. Super easy to make an automatic captions in InShot like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like, subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.